Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for Avon theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore www.shopwebsitecodes.com and you will be getting all the other themes code over there. Here is the current situation of our store right now. Here you can see that I have this main collection page and you can see that all the products are displaying here without their color variants. So let's implement this feature step by step. Firstly, you should go to your Shopify store dashboard and here you can see that I have installed Avon theme. So click on these three dots and click on duplicate. So after duplicating, you will able to restore it later if you want. You should click on these three dots, click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders. I will be adding the link below in the description. So you should download a zip file, and once you are extracting that zip file, you will be getting all these files. Open document.txt. So inside of this documentation, you will be having all the steps mentioned. So the first step is create a new snippet, color-variant. So let's create a new snippet here. Here you can see that we have snippets folder. Click on it, click on add a new snippet, and right here you should write color-variant and then click on done. Paste the code which is here, color-variant.txt. So you should copy this complete code and then paste it. Here you can paste that code and then you need to click on save. So once all the changes are saved, then you should close this file. And now the second step is create another new snippet, and the name of that snippet will be color-product-code-grid. So you should copy this name and then you should click on add a new snippet, and right here you should paste and then click on done. Here we will also get an empty file. So you should paste the code which is here, color-product-code-grid. So you should copy the complete code and then paste inside of this and then click on save. Once you saved, then you need to close this file. And now the third step is go to sections, open man-collection.liquid. So where is section? Here is the sections folder. Here we have man-collection.liquid. So what we need to do here? We need to replace this complete code with this line of code. So how we will be finding this exact line of code? So actually you should copy this keyword product-code-grid and then search here using Control F or maybe Command F. And here it will be highlighted automatically, and you can see that we have this thing mentioned here, this complete line, and you need to replace that complete line with this line. So you can see that this is the for loop, and inside of this for loop we have this element and we need to remove it and then paste the new line of code which we have in the documentation. So I have saved and you should close this file again. Now we have the fourth step, which is go to snippets, then open product-code-grid.liquid and then replace include with render in below two lines. Actually you should open this product-code-grid.liquid. Here we have product-code-grid.liquid. You should open it, find this line of code which is color-swatches. All right. So that will be inside in the bottom. So here you can see that we have at the bottom we have these color swatches. So you need to replace this include with the render and make sure that these are the only two lines like rating as well as color swatches. So we have to write here render, and then again we also need to write here render, and we have this also render, and then we have a rating somewhere. No. Okay, so save these changes. We have one more step which is replace this line of code with this. So where is this actually? Again you need to open the same product-code-grid. Actually here we have product-price. Can you see in the bottom we will have product-price. So here you need to replace this complete line with this line, which we need to replace with this line, product.price. Then you need to mention the money and then click on save. and now you can close this file. Finally, we end up with following all the steps, so it's time to test the feature. So here we have this page of main collection. Let's refresh this, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all the variants which are displaying here. So earlier we had only few products, and now the customer has options to choose multiple products from here. So this is how you can actually implement this feature in your store, and this is looking very beautiful. So if you are thinking that you have any problem with this, then definitely you can directly contact me. I will be happy to help you in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.